Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to export iCloud contacts to Gmail. Alright, so first up, let's go ahead and open up our web browser. And then let's just go ahead over to iCloud.com/contacts. Again, iCloud.com/contacts, and then just hit on enter. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, just go and log in with your iCloud account. And then once done, you can hold left control if you want to select multiple. All right. Now, let's say you wanted to export them all. So how do we do that? So just basically click on the three dots right here at the very top. Now select all. Okay. Now let's say I'm just going to go ahead and export these numbers right here. Okay. And once all of them are selected, just basically click on the upload icon right here and then export it as a vCard or a VCF file. So go ahead and save it wherever you want. Wait for it. And once done, go ahead and open up Google Contacts. Contacts.google.com. Again, contacts.google.com. Hit on enter. And here we have it. So what we'll do in here is we are going to import right here under Fix and Manage. Just click on Import. And as you can see, you can use a CSV or vCard or a VCF file. Okay, so just go ahead and click on Select File. Now go ahead and find this specific file that you just exported. Click on Open. Give it a label if you want to. From iCloud. Click on Save. Import. And just wait for the process to finish. Once that's done, here we have it. All right, you can go ahead and go to the left panel. You'll be able to see from iCloud add imported one. So you can just basically delete one option right here or this label. You should be able to see it. All right, and that's how you export iCloud contacts to Gmail. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.